In this video, we'll design a clean impeller in SolidWorks step by step. Let's get started. Make a sketch as shown. You can jump to 46 seconds to skip the sketch. Use the Revolve feature and select the edge. Make one more sketch on the front plane as shown. You can add this sketch to the previous sketch as well. You can jump to 1 minute 23 seconds to skip the sketch. Use the Revolve feature for this too. Now add one reference plane 10 millimeters above the bore face. Now make a sketch as shown on the lower face. You can jump to 2 minutes 32 seconds to skip the sketch. Now add another sketch on the reference plane that we added earlier. You can jump to 3 minutes 12 seconds to skip the sketch. Add one 3D sketch and create a spline for a guide curve. Now use the Loft feature. Select both sketches and the 3D sketch as the guide curve. Make sure to uncheck Merge Bodies. If this is useful so far, drop a like and make sure you're subscribed for more. Add one more sketch on the front plane. Use the Revolve Cut feature and select only the body of the impeller blade. Now use a circular pattern for the impeller blade and make 8 instances. Now use Intersect feature, then select all bodies. Select the outer extra parts of the impeller blade to cut them. And make sure to check Merge Result to merge everything into one body. Now use Cut Sweep. Select a circular profile and change the diameter to 15 millimeters. Now make one sketch on the top plane to create holes. Change the end condition from blind to up to next. Now adjust the position of the holes. That's it. Your impeller is ready. Like, share, and subscribe for more.